It's scary once again. I am getting some hail. I've got to figure out where I'm going to relocate to. I think I'm going to try to get over next to a building to get under. Welcome my friends, Seven Gray here. I'm editing this video almost a month after it happened. I am so far behind in posting my videos, primarily because I've been out in national forest and my Verizon hotspot has been shut down, so I was not able to upload just using a friend's Wi-Fi out in the forest. So anyway, everything's considerably behind. I've been making trips into town and trying to schedule uploads, but it's been a difficult process to balance that with building and making trips into town. Anyway, so new episode today, about a month behind, and this episode is talking about a massive hailstorm that happened on August 6th in Colorado Springs that I was caught in, and a pretty freaky and scary experience. The day after this hailstorm, I saw all sorts of cars driving around with smashed windshields, smashed back windows, side windows, people with duct tape cardboard just to be able to get their vehicles around, massive dents up and down the vehicles. This was a very scary experience. Anyway, so I hope you find this episode interesting, and on with the episode. Well, this is the best I can do. I'm in between two buildings on an aisleway, and there is some serious hail coming down. Pretty sure I'm going to lose my panels, but not much I can do about it. I'm the best I can do. Let me show you where I'm at. There's the hail coming down. You can hear it. Yeah, it's just not much I can do. This is some big hail. Crazy, scary. Gonna get lots of damage. What can I do? Not much. This is just so painful. Ouch. I'm just cringing inside. You have no idea. I just keep thinking aluminum, glass, not a good combination with hail. Well, it's the moment of truth. It's just barely drizzling now. I'm coming out to take a look at the step van. See if there's any damage. I don't see anything. It's looking pretty good. Let me show you. You can see here it's a pretty glass smooth surface, just little drips of water. It's looking okay. I don't see any damage at all on the sides. No damage to the glass. The only thing left to do is to climb on the roof, but I want to wait for it to completely stop raining and have sun before I pull a ladder out and try to get up there. Anyway, good sign so far. I'm actually surprised. Well, it's time to go look on the roof. We've got some sunlight, no more clouds overhead, so it's time to climb the ladder and check on the roof and see how the solar panels are doing, if everything's intact. I don't see broken glass on the windows, the windshield and others, so Hopefully everything's okay up here. Trying to climb with one arm, that's probably not wise. Well, as far as I can tell, everything looks good. Let me show you. Lots of water buildup, but does not look like there's any broken glass. I can see small hail damage on the aluminum back there, but that looks like about it. Not anything too severe. I think I can live with that. I would say I'm relieved overall with the results here. That's all I have for this episode. Thank you for watching. Savor the moment and see you next episode.